Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to make fact videos from Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to ai.invideo.io. After navigating to this page, you will see this interface. Here, click on Create AI Video. When you click on Create AI Video, you will be on this page. On this page, just type in create a random fact video that is, now specify the length, 2 minutes long, and it should be exciting. Now if you want to create a fact video about a specific thing, you'll have to just remove this random and name that thing. For example, if you want to create a fact video about airplanes, just remove the random keyword and type in create an airplane fact video that is 2 minutes long and it should be exciting. Now click on generate a video. When you click on generate a video, it will take you to this page. On this page, choose your audience. So I'm going to choose travel lovers or curious minds. Now choose the look and feel you want for your video. So I want it to be epic. Now choose the platform where you are going to publish your video. I will choose YouTube. Now click on continue. When you click on continue, Invideo AI will start generating your video. And when it gets finished, it will notify you via email or any other means you have added. So that's a simple way through which you can create fact videos from Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.